Today introduce
Give
you.
my sister a middle-aged dress.
Is this model?
You will see that there is a round neck.
There will be water here.
The hands are a little puffy. And broke the waist down here. Well, it's a 360-degree bump. You wear the style with silk wool or the fabric that's soft.
It's okay. I invite you to go to London. Because of the hardness of this cat, it will
suit for London fabric material.
My middle-aged sisters.
So now we're going to go into the design.
In order to design, my sisters will prepare shoulder measurement,
neck bust, waist butt, and waist length, hip length. I'm going to take measurements according to the length of my body.
It depends on the height of each one
that we're going to take the length
for matching.
Then we're going to cross a line.
You will take your shoulders. Shoulder level is equal to shoulder divided by 2 is equal to 32.
16.
I'll measure a segment.
From here, it's 16, and then you're down to 4. And then you go into her and you divide her by 5.
30 divided by 5 is equal to 6.
I added 6 and then I added it. The lower chest, you will take the chest. Divide by 5 plus 2.
80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18.
I'm going to measure it starting at this point down to 18. Then across the chest, I'll be the chest. Divide 4 plus 2 by 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22.
I took a paragraph of 22.
Then I'll continue with the part.
Lower the waist from top to bottom is equal to 35 according to the measurement. Make a perpendicular line.
I'll take it by the waist. Divide 4 plus 2 by 6 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18.
I took a road that was 18.
And then from this horizontal line, you measure down the lower part of the butt
by 18.
The two numbers 18 are different. 18 is measured and 18 is calculated according to the formula. Then here you take the hip jaw, and the hip is divided by 4. Well, let's say an 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then you'll take this part. I go the curve of my skirt. Then this dress length has a 360-degree bump. You're going to leave it here. It's gasoline year. For example, the length of your dress is equal
90.
to, you subtract a paragraph. That's 26 gasoline. I'll take the length. If we subtract 26 gas, we'll have copper length. 2 or 6, that's for the cat.
I will guide you later.
Now back this up in 2 and split it in 2. Let's split it in half again. And then this round neck is the bright one. Then step back and give me some gas.
I built a perpendicular line.
Here you go. It's 6 petrol. In this section, you cut me a long drop of water that is 7. So from here, it's going to be 7, and this is 6. Then this part of you comes in for a shower. leading a perpendicular line. I've drawn the side of the waist from here to here. This distance is -4. The distance below is -4. And then we get the body first. After finishing the first towel, then we'll do it for the next towel. Go up and get to gas. Connecting this segment to this segment here is 0.7. The chest area behind it will be reduced. The front torso is a gasoline. Waist section. Then with your ass you will come out. If she's here, you'll join her. This is ba. Then later, when we've done the body first, after that, we will start cutting. Here Arabic self-cut a for body front body back. On the same two pieces of paper. Then I'll make adjustments for both before and after. That's why I don't have a seam here. I cut it. The red line is the SAO line. And then after you cut the road a little bit far, then you will give me a sign across the waist. Then we cross a line. And this shirt is sure that I will check the zipper. And this is the 1.5 inch back. This part you back into 3 glasses. Then I'll split this in half. You take it down to 16. From here to here is 16. And this section, it's going to cut the cross. Armpit is for gasoline. This will be the back. Ha body later the sister multiplied cho 2. And the passage from here to here is what you're going to look for. Zipper on the body. So I'm going to cut this out. So we remember that we're going to check the zipper. And then after that we get the body. Then you will continue. For the previous part. In the previous section, I'll cut it in a circle. Follow the circle and this part of the waist. Cut this way. And we get the body first. After I cut the part, front towel and back towel, then I'll cut the sleeve. I'll measure for armpits. Here I measured 22 towels before. The next year I measured 22. This sleeve will be a puffy sleeve. Then I'll do a cut for the bulging sleeve. Give me 5 gas. And from up here, you measure it with your chest. Divide by 10 plus by 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5, we're going to be equal to 13. So from up here to down here, it's 13. And then build a corner. Then you'll take the armpit line first, plus armpit line after 22 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 22. Give me a line of 22. Then we split in 2. Sisters down 1 and up 2. 2 and 1, you will. Adjust for the part your sleeves are long. Here's the length of this hand. I'll take it to be 21. Then the door, I took it through. 13. Then you join this part. Then we'll get the sleeve. And here you're going to cut out the piece. Head hand. This outside part is for me to draw like you guys. And the tree first will go down a SAO. I left one finished. This hand, the back. This hand, the front. Here we'll get the sleeve part. Then, I'm going to talk to you now about the piece below. It's under a shirt. So this one is a 360-degree one. You have to circle. Let's say you have a piece of cloth. It's a length like this. The width is the same. When you double it, you fold it. Put it like this. Then, we want the part. It's by the distance of the horizontal part of the line. You have to cut a picture. Round that it will have this horizontal line I divide by. This is divided by 2. Because I rank twice. Twice, I divide by 2. What if this piece is you? Use it for me. Always put together one. You share this line. Give for listen. So here I measure this as equal to 30. 30 is half, right? 30 is half. So when we put it in here, we put it for times. You're going to take this 30. Hey, then we're going to make our ruler SAO. Let it be equal to 30. But the distance between these two sides is equal. The distance between the two sides is equal. For example, is equal this is to these 30 numbers. Then you subtract it from me. 2 petrol to be sugar. It's going to be more than a straight line. And after you meet across the street and you hit the curve and the length, I'll give you 26. Is that we're going to get the bad part of the tooth? Well, for example, I'm going to take this big number. So now I'm going to make an example. Typical for you with a small one. Let them be easy to imagine. I will do something. Then, for example, put this back on the right side. Then here we have the same distance AA. How much I don't know, but it's going to be 30. Subtract, give me 2, this is equal to 28. Then this cross section, then you'll measure it by a segment. 28, but when I left the number 2. If 8 is the same, then these two parts are the same. Then you'll bend it like this. And when I bend, I adjust. So this must be a right angle. It has to cut perpendicular like this. Then we're going to cut this. Then from here to here. Then you'll measure it by 26. For example, if this is paragraph 2 minus 6, you will cut it all.
That's an example. And then we'll open it.
Then you will get it. This half is to 8. You put it in the back, the hybrid dress. It will get a charm like this. That's how we're going to do it. I just finished sharing this dress.
I wish my sisters success.
Thanks and see you later.